Okay, here we have the nearly completed Rad-Gate little project I've been working on for a little while. Got a LED display, speaker through a resistor at the moment because it's too loud and there's no volume control on the little 12 volt Class D amplifier board. This here is a remote, so you can activate on startup. Some test buttons. That's the relay I'm using for the gate. I tried the MOSFET circuit, but it lasted one go. So the relay is cheap and works. Okay, let's fire it up. I've got 12 volts. Turn on. Okay, so it's ready to go. You can see a little strip down here. I'm not actually going to use that. I've got relay control for some LEDs which still haven't arrived nearly 2 months after being ordered, but should be here hopefully soon. But this is handy because you can see what's going on. Pretty cool little LEDs. Okay, I've got the remote, so just click. Over here, just simulating an input for a photo sensor. So when the wheel goes through the light beam, that should trigger that and give it a display. The sensor I've got, and it seems to work okay, is this little thing here, the very ambiguous little diagram is all it comes with, but it does work. That plugs in there. At the moment I've just got simulating with a button. So also does the abort function, so I did this again. And you hit it twice, it stops the gate dropping. This time I'll let it go and you can hear the relay click. Just let it go. 4.691 seconds. The other useful little thing I've got happening is low voltage. It's set for 10.5 volts at the moment, so get down to low battery alarm. So it just sits there saying low battery alarm and won't let you do anything. And you get a voltage readout on there. If I turn it back up again, should be happy and we can go again. So that's it. The only other thing I could show you is the thing is just sitting up right now. That's just showing the solenoid there. it latches in there and releases here and drops down.